In today's video, we will talk about what is a drip campaign and how it works. A drip campaign is an automated sequence of actions designed to engage prospects step by step, based on their behavior. For example, the process starts with an email. Depending on the prospect's action, whether they open the email or not, they are moved to the next step. In SmartReach, if the email is opened, the prospect receives a LinkedIn connection request. If it's not opened, you can send a WhatsApp message instead. This approach ensures that your outreach adjusts dynamically, using multiple communication channels to increase engagement. From the dashboard, click on the Create Campaign. Then you can select the Drip Campaign option. Click on plus to add the step. Let's select the Auto Email Add a First Step. Add the suitable subject, email body, and click on Save Step. Then click on plus to add the drip condition. From the drip condition, let's select Email has opened. There will be two conditions, yes and no. If someone opened the email, let's send LinkedIn invitation from manual steps. When sending the LinkedIn invitation, it is better to have a message body. It increases the chances of acceptance. After that, click on Create Step. Now if someone does not open the email, I want to send the WhatsApp message to those. Select the Send Message from the manual step. Add the message body and Create Step. As you can see, I have created two drip conditions for my auto email. Further drips, you can add the same and select the drip from drip conditions. Add the prospects, do the channel setup, and then start campaign.